All right, introducing the FD25PT Benchtop Pneumatic Crimping Press. This machine features two crimping chambers, one in front and one on the side, along with two trays on either side of the machine for storing ferrules. Included with the machine is a foot pedal and a securing clamp that we'll take a look at later. At the foot pedal, you'll want to connect the machine to the upper left port and your air source to the lower port. With those connections secure, we're ready to start crimping. We're going to start off with our AD10008 18 gauge wire ferrule, and we're going to use the front 26 to 18 gauge crimping chamber. So we'll just load it in and press on the foot pedal one time to get a nice solid crimp. And you'll see it there, real solid crimp, real good indents, real nice hold. Next, we're going to crimp our AW25008 14 gauge wire ferrule. This time, we're going to use the side 16 to 14 gauge crimping chamber. And just like before, we're going to load it right into the machine, press down on the foot pedal, and the machine will execute the crimp. And just like before, you'll see it there too. Good crimp, nice hold, solid indents. It looks real nice. Now, this machine is very lightweight. You don't want to knock into it and spill those ferrules. So as we mentioned earlier, it does come with a securing clamp that can fasten it to the edge of your workbench or table just to make sure it stays in place. And that will do it for the FD25PT. Everything is available on our website, www.ferrulesdirect.com. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks so much for watching.
Break it down.